Okay, let's get ahead of it this year because it is statistically likely that you or one of your friends is going to get vague, frustrating feedback on your performance evaluation, and I don't want that for you. So let's get ahead and give you some powerful phrases that you can use. Hi, I'm Karen Hurt, and I'm here with the next edition of Asking for a Friend from the Road, and let's get right to it. Okay, so first, some of the most frustrating feedback. Oh, you are doing just great. I got nothing for you. Now, the good news is you're doing great, but also you want to continue to do well. So here's where I would start. I would say, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate all your support. And I've got to tell you, I want to understand exactly what is working and look for other ways that I can apply that so that I continue to do better and better. And you could say, and is there one way, one thing, one habit that I could do differently that would really make the biggest impact in my work next year? All right, let's get some more for you. Oh, we haven't talked about this before, but now this is incredibly frustrating because how can you respond to feedback if you've not talked about it before? But again, you want to say, I am always receptive to feedback. And can we not necessarily put this in writing right now until I've had a chance to do something about it? And here is my commitment moving forward. And then ask for what you need, which is a more regular cadence of feedback so that you are not blindsided next year. Okay, now here is another one. And I have been there, done that, received this feedback. I can't rate you, it exceeds expectations, even though your performance isn't exceeds expectations because there is a quota and I'm only allowed one. Now, here's what you say. All right, I can really appreciate how difficult that must be for you. And I really want to knock it out of the park. So, what I'm going to ask you is tell me next year, what I need to do. So next year, there is no question, it is 100% that I'm going to be rated exceeds expectations. Let me understand exactly what success looks like. Okay, let's give you one more. There's a lot in here, but let me give you just one more. I don't have any specific examples for you. I don't have any specific examples. Here's what you say. That is very difficult for me to respond and to know exactly what to do because I don't have any specific examples yet either. So let me ask you this. Can you be on the lookout and the next time this happens, you point that out to me, I'll be paying attention to it too. And then here's the thing, make sure whatever you're doing, you're solving the problem if there are any examples of that so that they can't come up with it and they'll have nothing. Okay, lots more in our books, powerful phrases for dealing with workplace conflict. I'd be curious, what would you add? What advice do you have in advance for our friends who are about to get vague or lazy or frustrating performance feedback? See you next time on Asking for a Friend.